Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you real quick how to make close to 300% staking in ByBit. So first, go in the link down in the description, register in ByBit if you don't have account already. It's a referral link, but you will have the channel this way. After that, log in ByBit, make verification and everything, go in ByBit Center, dual asset mining. And here a lot are sold out, but look, this one is not 287%. Click buy now. You need to have at least 100 USD or 0.01 Ethereum. After that, click buy. Just click USD or Ethereum, transfer it to your ByFI center account. You will see it in your account. After that, transfer them from here if you're not already. Click your amount, purchase them, and I'll show you, and that's it. That's everything. After that, they will be pending, and when it's active, it starts to gain percents. So I apply my $100.40 in 9:15. And I have 43 cents for what UTC time, because I'm not the UTC time, so 9:15 was 10:50, but it was some time pending, so maybe an hour and a half. Okay, let's say 24 divided by 1.5 is 16, so 0.43 cents. So close to $7 if I'm right. If I'm not, correct me, but yeah, close to $7 per day. Just with the $100 USD staking, with the percents that I show you. It's Ethereum or USD. They have BTC and BIT, of course, but here the percent is a lot bigger. So that's the amount. So don't wait, go in the description, register for my link, and go and stake and get that back. Thank you for your time and see you soon.